Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to copy LinkedIn URL. Okay, so I'm going to show you in my desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so let me open LinkedIn. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So okay, so it's LinkedIn, it's opening now. Okay, so here you can see if you want to copy your LinkedIn URL to share others, so go to the me icon here, or in mobile you can just click on profile and click on view profile. Okay, after view profile in desktop you will see this link. Okay, you will see your name here or maybe different name here. Just click on it and this is your LinkedIn profile URL. You can just select it like this and just copy it and you can share it. Okay, but if you are using mobile, so you will see this option. Okay, if you don't see this option, you can use your mobile browser in desktop mode. In desktop mode you can log in your LinkedIn and you can see this option. Just click on it. In desktop mode in your browser, mobile browser, you can copy this link from here. Okay, no problem. Just click on here and go to the view profile and go to the browser address and just copy it, or just click on here edit public profile, and here you can see you can also edit your URL from here. So I just edited with my name. You can also edit your name and save it so it's look professional. Okay, after save you can copy it like this. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.